Welcome to Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving into the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that's not just a piece of tech, but a testament to DJI's relentless pursuit of innovation. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this compact marvel is designed to slip effortlessly into your backpack, making it the ultimate travel companion for adventurers and content creators alike. Its lightweight design isn't just about convenience. It often exempts it from stringent drone regulations in many countries, making the DJI Mini 5 Pro the go-to choice for those looking to explore the skies with ease. But that's just the beginning. With a powerful 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor, it captures 4K video at 60 frames per second and stunning 48MP photos, offering professional-grade visuals in a compact package. Add an impressive 34-minute flight time, advanced features like Active Track 4.0, and a sleek yet durable design, and it's clear the Mini 5 Pro is more than just a drone. It's a creativity machine. Stay tuned as we uncover how this drone is setting new standards in aerial technology, redefining what's possible for hobbyists and professionals alike.